Hello, my name is Tayfun. Welcome to another lecture of our auxiliary course. In this section, we are going to look at some of the magic that occurs on the command line when we press the Enter key. While we will examine several interesting and complex features of the shell, we will do it with just one new command, which is echo to display a line of the text. So let's get started. Each time we type a command and press the Enter key, Bash performs several substitutions upon the text before it carries out our command. So we have seen a couple of cases of how a simple character sequence, for example, this asterisk, can have a lot of meaning on the shell. So the process that makes this happen is called the expansion. Actually, let me mention it here. So expansion. So with expansion, we enter something and it is expanded into something else before the shell acts upon. So to demonstrate that, what we mean by this, let's look at the echo command here. Actually here. So let's look at the echo command. So echo here is a shell built-in that performs a very simple task. It prints its text arguments on a standard output. So if you write it like that, so echo, this is auxiliary lecture, and here, as you can see here, we write it, this is auxiliary lecture. So that's pretty straightforward, right? So any argument passed to echo gets displayed. So let's try another example here. So clear echo this here asterisk, and as you can see, we write it this. So for example, echo ls, ls, and here we can also write it like that. And as you can see here, each argument we write in echo, we are just seeing it. So here, let's write the pathname expansion and learn more about it. So the mechanism by which wildcards work is called the pathname expansion. If we try some of the techniques that we employed in earlier lectures, we will see that they are really expansions. So given a home directory that looks like here, for example, ls and actually cd here, ls, and here echo here, and as you can see here, we've rated our like ls here. So clear, and let's echo d here, and here, as you can see here, we started d arguments. So we can also do it like that. For example, echo s here, and as you can see here, we will print that templates or documents that ends with s character. We can also do it like that. Echo to here bases like that, and upper, and here like that, and after the asterisk here, and as you can see here, we printed all of that starts with the uppercase character. And we can also do it like that. For example, echo that's actually that's pretty complex and straightforward commands with which you will learn all of echo commands in this course. So echo, for example, user asterisk wildcard operator, some called asterisk, some called wildcard here, share, and as you can see here, we printed our user local share. So that is called the pathname expansion of a hidden files. So as we know, files that begin with the period characters are hidden. So a pathname expansion also respects this behavior, and expansions such as this here, echo this asterisk, this will not reveal hidden files. So it might appear at first glance that we could include hidden files in an expansion, for example, like this, that starts with this, by starting a pattern with a leading period like this, and as you can see here, we got it, but it almost works. However, if we examine the results closely, we will see that the names from that start with dot and double dot here will also appear in the results, because these names refer to the current working directory and its parent directory. Using this pattern will likely produce an incorrect result. So we can see this if we try this command here, clear, and here we will lsd and wildcard operator. After that we will use pipes and the less here, and as you can see here, we got this our desired results here. So actually let's end this. Oops. Here. Oh, can we change this color? I didn't realize that we can change the color of this here. Yeah, let's quit. So whatever, here now we're gonna use this echo and echo dot braces and here asterisk, and as you can see here, the event not found, we got an error here. So this pattern here, echo, and as you can see here, this. So this pattern expands into every file name that begins with only one followed by another characters. So this will work correctly with most hidden files, so it won't include file names with multiple leading periods, and the ls command with this a option, uppercase A option, will print us that. And we will, and as you can see, we got a correct listing of a hidden files. So I'm waiting for the next lecture.